In the silent horizon of the open sea, a new kind of weapon awakens. No missiles. No explosives. Just light. A pure beam of energy, fired with deadly precision, capable of burning through steel and disabling targets instantly. Today, you're about to see how the US Navy is rewriting the future of warfare with its newest laser weapon, LAWS. And this is only the beginning. Missiles, CIWS, mobile lasers, integrated battlefield networks, all of it tested in complete secrecy. Welcome to Military X. Part 1, LAWS, the weapon of the future. On the deck of the USS Ponce sits a silent, unassuming turret. This is LAWS, the laser weapon system, the world's first operational naval laser. It works on one principle. Focus a beam of intense energy on a target, and destroy it. Inside the control room, everything looks like a video game. A controller. A screen. A crosshair. But the stakes are real. When the operator pulls the trigger, the laser fires at the speed of light. No sound. No recoil. Just invisible energy delivering instant devastation. During testing, a small boat drifts across the sea. Seconds after being hit, smoke rises, the target burns. No explosions. No debris. Just the brutal efficiency of pure light. The message is clear. Whoever controls laser technology, controls the future. Part 2, drones, boats, anything that moves. Next, a drone appears. LAWS locks onto it automatically. The beam activates. And the drone ignites mid-air. No ammo. No logistics. Just electricity. That is the real superpower of laser weapons. Almost zero cost per shot. Pinpoint accuracy. No collateral damage. Against drones, small boats, sensors, and incoming threats, lasers may soon become the ultimate defensive weapon. Part 3, when light isn't enough, enter the Griffin missile. But even the most advanced laser has its limits. When a heavier threat appears, you need kinetic firepower. That's when the US Navy brings out the Griffin missile system. Inside the ship, the crew designates a target. The missile launches from the USS Ponce, silent at first, then roaring across the sea. Moments later, direct hit. The target boat is obliterated. The combination of laser precision and missile power proves one thing. The future battlefield will blend photonic and conventional weapons into one deadly system.
Come rise to your core 308. Come rise to your core 308. All engines have standard indicated tempo 17 knots.
All engines had standard indicating turn.
Negative.
Part 4, The Final Guardian, Phalanx CIWS. But the most iconic moment of all happens when the ship activates its ultimate line of defense. The Phalanx CIWS. A white dome. A powerful radar. And a Gatling gun capable of firing thousands of rounds per minute. The radar locks on. The cannon spins up. And suddenly, a thunderous mechanical roar fills the ship. The CIWS unleashes a storm of metal so dense, so fast, that targets are vaporized in seconds. It is the last barrier, the final shield, between the ship and incoming threats like missiles or suicide drones. With LAWS, Griffin missiles, and CIWS working together, the USS Ponce becomes a floating laboratory for the future of naval combat. Part 5, From Sea to Desert, Mobile Lasers. The testing doesn't end at sea. Now, we travel to the scorching desert of White Sands Missile Range. Here, the Army tests a different kind of laser weapon. The helmed, high-energy laser mobile test truck. A heavy-duty military truck carrying a high-energy laser turret capable of burning drones out of the sky. In the desert heat, under open skies, Helmed fires with precision. Each shot demonstrates how lasers can defend troops on the ground the same way LAWS protects ships at sea. The message is clear. Lasers are no longer prototypes. They are becoming real battlefield weapons. Part 6, MFIX, The War of Tomorrow. But there's a challenge bigger than testing weapons. The real challenge is connecting them. Welcome to MFIX, the Maneuver and Fires Integration Experiment. MFIX brings together everything. Drones, sensors, artillery, lasers, and missiles, autonomous vehicles, AI targeting networks, all fused into a single combat ecosystem. A system where threats are detected instantly, data is shared across the battlefield in real time, and the best weapon, laser, missile, drone, or artillery, strikes automatically. This is warfare where decisions happen faster than human reaction time. where automation, precision, and speed decide the outcome before the first soldier even sees the enemy. From the decks of the USS Ponce, to the deserts of white sands, from silent laser beams, to missile strikes, to the furious roar of CIWS, one thing becomes undeniable. The United States isn't preparing for today's war. They're preparing for tomorrow's. A future where weapons strike at the speed of light, where networks make decisions before humans blink, and where the battlefield is dominated by those who control information and energy. You've just witnessed the first chapter of that future. If you want more videos on lasers, CIWS, advanced weapons, and next-generation warfare, subscribe and hit the bell. This is Military X. The future starts now.